Akunche brother Bwebudo, Gangwalu Mama Pogani Tamo Ropa. Akunche brother Bwebudo, Gangwalu Duwa, Egitamo Ropa. A brother te original, brother Ruwa. A brother te Lazana, brother Ruwa. Brother Wakaka, Isa, and no me be now, I be now. No me be now, I be now. The Baba walk away. Osalami mafu uberia. Apote sisa Bwebudo, Gangwalu Mama Pogani Tamo Ropa. Apote sisa Bwebudo, Gangwalu Duwa, Egitamo Ropa. Sister Ruwa. Sister Lazana, Sister Ruwa. Sister Wakaka, Isa, and no big bin away now. No big bin away now. The Baba walk away. No problem, I have one of you. I'm setting your tempo. I'm setting your tempo. I'm setting your tempo. Oh, you got
okay, man, guys, sorry for ending the broadcast just now. You know, say sometimes some of these our followers or some of these our viewers, they go think maybe they're too get sense or they're too wise. But you will be presenter or you will the talk social media, you go let them know say they're not wise. Somebody send me a video and he tell me say, bros, talk about this video because now wait till you they preach against now be dicks. Nothing I say okay now I fall out. I want to talk about and before I know that video, I'm not going to send for my phone again. You understand? So I got to call the person again. Then I say the video will send over me. I'm not send for my phone again. He can't send now. Come as he send now come quickly. I put on for one place where we say they not fit delete or they not fit take and come out. You understand? So at the talk say our people, our old people when see they go road work, now see they talk about. Just imagine Omome Bo one of Germany. She still they talk about boyfriend. She still they talk about boyfriend. Stop calling me. Who's calling me on Messenger? Stop calling me. Stop calling me. You understand? So she still they talk about boyfriend at this time of her age. Not be husband. You understand? So now she dey talk say Monica. Now so she don't know person wey carry this thing, go give Monica, go give the Murphy, go give this, go give that. You understand? More than listening to her. I'm also say maybe not me, they forge down for her mouth. More than listening to her. Listen, guys, let me bring out the video. Let me bring out the video. The video she did. The video when person send come for me just now. May I bring her because they tell this our women say make una dey wise. You know, if I dey talk to them, they'll say I be central. But I dey tell them say any girl will be say I don't chop him money. Come out social media, come talk and take my picture, take my name, go give presenter. May announce me. Nobody they announce me. Nobody say I don't chop him money. So that is to tell you say they be fool. People when they announce say I be central, they be fool. Because if I be central, as I dey come out for social media, they talk say this, that. People will not come and tell me say you be central, you don't chop my money, but nobody to come and tell me say I be central. You understand? So Nicholas, I dey reply to your message and you say they keep saying that you are a central. You understand? Your cap don't have part 2. I better leave my cap, my brother. Leave my cap. Listen. Mona, listen.
You will also explain yourself. I don't know if you understand. To not damage your image.
Where Mutia? Abi?
I'm Mutia, yeah.
Mutia Ken.
Oh, my
goodness. Monica is silent. I'm moving for you. Now me talk and come and no put time for video like that. No. Now when
a video
why when you make a video, what no a video. Why when you make a video for playing?
This is not for now we got by the bar.
A police station arrivé na e matana se police station ne e matana se police station ne e police station ya ye na police station. Listen my people, if I dey tell una say una new enter Europe, una find man, better man marry. Una no dey hear. Una don dey go for the Europe. Una go dey find. Una lis ten. What damn yo?
Austin, look my eye. When you talking to me, now you dey do like
Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. When you tell me say na me you dey do like this. So Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. When you tell me say na me you dey do like this. So òfin àdéyúwà mẹ́nẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ òkè orí bìẹ́ká òfin àdéyúwà mẹ́nẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ òkè orí bìẹ́ká ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà wọ́n wà márè ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà wọ́n wà márè ní wàá rówọ́dọ̀ ọ̀mámọ́ wà ń ìwín ní gbìyàgìà ìwín ní àgá jump from one boy to another. This boy no fine rich, this boy no get money, this boy no handsome rich. If I introduce this boy to my family, wetin they go talk about me? Wetin they go talk about me? Audion love it. No worry, fake account. Let me just block you out of my platform. I don't even like you. Let me tell you before I block you. I don't feel like you right from time because of your post when you dey post about people. So I don't feel like you. So may I just block you? May I block you? I don't just feel like you right from time. You understand?
When we see a problem video,
oh, brother.
let me tell you one thing. I just want to talk to you. Imagine when I spoke to you in your WhatsApp several times.
The WhatsApp.
I spoke to you several times. So if you want to listen to me, you listen to me. If you don't want to damage this man image, then who affected man.
Oh, my face. Every new video, the video where I do, Daniel. A video new, okay, boyfriend, okay, Austin. Is immature.
At this woman age, Omo Mebo one of Jimmy as her age, she's still talking of a boyfriend in me. A boyfriend in me. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. My guy, this thing they inch me for a year. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. For you to say my husband, if I say you talk say my husband now, I go the year, I go clap for you. I go even send message to Monica. I go even tell Monica, say Monica, why are you bringing this woman down? You still they talk about a boyfriend in me at your age. At your age, Tori Toto, God bless you. And Tessie, my sister Tessie, God bless you for sharing the broadcast. Please, guys, share this video. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. Omo Mebo one of Germany. Wa mo pe ni negbu wa. Wa ti egbu wa pe ni o wa mu ni egbu wa. Imenu wa mo pe ni negbu wa yi. And at the end, una be niente, una be nothing. Okay, now, Osamu Diame, okay, now, do you understand me now, B? Your first comment, and say, bros, may you know the tire. Now, you understand me now, B? Okay, you don't even share my video. Osamu Diame, God go bless you. God go bless you. You see what they talk? Because sometimes if I hear some things, it affect me. Let me read your message, Osamu Diame. Let me read your message. You say, married woman for that matter. Abi, he both not be person. Okay, Osamu Diame, this is what I'm saying. A boyfriend even at your age, Omo Mebo. At your age, a boyfriend even Okpo Ashawo emo una chebone Monica, una Monica emi by so egbe. Joyce, thank you for sharing this broadcast. Una chebone Monica, una we emi by so egbe. Not be say Monica still good on her own. No. Monica, she's not my friend, she's not my enemy. But on this one, you understand? Who you tell a boyfriend, man? Listen, me we very anana, me we very anana. I better go when I yalla we boama ye bieka, wama ye etagbo ya kuyokure. By now, I believe say you for day with responsible man. You marry only you marry Oyibo. You from Oyibo has the friend black boy. You from Oyibo has the fox small children up and down. Omo mebo ukowe boya we bie kakian pokpa. Hein? Been working on my omo mebo. Been working on my say wa omo pe ni neck boy. Listen guys. Listen. Play.
Yeah, imasho enokpia, imasho enoko.
Oh, you were telling me.
I'm not a baby. Imasho enokpia, imasho enoko. A boyfriend in Mokba, a shaggy. A boyfriend in Mok.
Economy mo manakina. Yes, when your boyfriend. No, they talk boyfriend. You know they talk boyfriend. This woman. That's in the pepper me. Yes, we boyfriend. We boyfriend. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your boyfriend the way.
By sure again, they life. I know they see and I know they lie. You yourself, you know. A boyfriend in Mokba, a sure again. A boyfriend in Mokba, sure again. You don't see any now sure. Any soon, or mine, a bebalo me. Not a sure. Now me they talk, come on, me one of Germany, no shaking. All those 6 1 and they yes say talk. Now waiting to see pay my boyfriend now talk. Now waiting do wait pay me wait be say he make attempt to sleep with my own cousin. So now I take talk that thing. To sleep with my own sister for his side room. And that my sister, she's like a daughter to me. Now mommy they call me. Now he make me tell and say, now mommy, he wants to sleep with mother and son. You understand? So when I say Mona Sharon, I know if you call Monica. I'm on live video now. I not call Monica. I not call Lady Murphy. I not call Amelia. I not share for anybody. But one thing where I say Mona help me so I put. Person where you share that video. Go ahead. Mona share. Person where you share my boyfriend video. Go ahead. Make una cost food. Walk we walk. A boyfriend you want by share if it's on nigga keke or tion. Nigga pay a boyfriend you want back pay again. Walk we walk. I will not share regard me. Walk me my book by our pastor. No get your talent you have a social media. Mutia, no get your talent you have a social work. No get your talent you have a social media. No get your talent ya. No get talent ya. No get one la la walk me my book by walk we walk. No get one any my boyfriend in Ladia. A boyfriend won't pass the egg you. No get one la walk me my book by walk we walk. Okay, me no more me boy. I raise say your some get out again. What it any me? No give more Ladia.
I don't say.
No more Ladia. No more Ladia. Because it's here. It's here in me. No give more Ladia. Backbone of Bombay. Wagumeti vojo. Wagumeti vojo won't be a walk. We via Kaya, Wagumeti vojo. Amaro Pamagenere. Now life I did. Amaro Pamada Lawo. We got Simowe. Amaro Pamajan. A boyfriend in one power or the up person gave for our sale. Nika a boyfriend in one bag. Amaro Pamajan must send the game. Even if yes, Amaro Pamajan. More guana, more red light. Oma no give more Latin. No we are time the Murphy. No we tell me Manica Wagumeti boy. Wala wo. Wagumeti boy. No way you have Wagumeti boy. Yow, say the yeah, the water me rock boyfriend in my son. Yeah, if I talk anything about my boyfriend, I quarrel. Now I talk but waiting me they talk say, oh man, no more lads ye hair.
Madam, shut up. Madam, shut up. Obama Bowan Jemmy, your baby back balloon when we are in. More time, your baby back balloon when we are in. Welcome, man. Oh, yeah, man. Welcome, what a make it disgrace to what you know, and Wa ka mo ko na we need disgrace wa no enegbe. We no ko na yo be fa agbalu no eno wiani. We no yo be fa agbalu no eno wiani. Eno talaja wunu na. Enyo ko na talaja wunu na. At your age, my boyfriend. I send the video to my boyfriend. My boyfriend can't say, I don't know conscience and go give Monica. I don't know conscience and go give Ameyahu. I don't know conscience and go give the Mofi. My boyfriend at your age. At your age. And I could not see any weapon on my day. You could not watch a weapon on my day. Wa me pishi ya gume. Wa me vidi ya gume. Ya me tigu wa na ya. Ya metigu wa nanya, my people. All these people, they need to go Osman house. Inya ka ye dagme ya tonka ene. Inya ye dagme ya tonka ene. Ibieka ni aga mu agboria e na rigwalo. Vino na wa ki o mese na. O wi yo mo mebo, give your mo mebo. Amo mo mebo one of Germany no eh. No pa have tave de do win Africa Jama first lady. Everyone wa mahe, everyone wa makebo ni re, iju wa makebo ni re, wa mokpe ni negbu wa ye enyebo yakin wa. Omo me bo one of Jemmy, who bo you? With one eye closed, one eye open. Oh ya mo me bo one of Jemmy. Oh ya mo bo one of Jemmy. I will back where I will back here. The boy don't just blow beat you. Small picking go beat you because why? Who were you far? Who were you far? I don't want to classify you as. Okuna na aro wodo. Oga lave mercy na gbera. Oga lave disgrace na gbera. Oga experience have no sense na. Ona ni tamu wana ni dare na avi wani dare na ni tamu wana kina wa unu pokere wana mi pe agbon wa settle down I win a World Cup no one be win na shawo I tamo ma we eri again na ogize be win na shawo anado me e cram ine anado me World Cup ine bo anado ka ma win your champion error why give me no dedena in tell boyfriend ano be not your boyfriend ogenia obiana is a married man then osamu da me gbon yoba or when a person your husband. Please play the video again and don't forget this woman is not Mama Boyi. Somebody write message just now say it look like Mama Boyi. Is not Mama Boyi, and you know if it is Mama Boyi, because Mama Boyi not get one hair. Not be Mama Boyi be. Let me play the video again for the sake of you people that is just coming now. Hello, boy, my boyfriend. Boy, gonna na. Ehona no be ate drama. Ehona no ate drama do. Ehwebe mona. Ehwebe mona based on the same feather floss together. Ehwebe mwe de na we ba na we ohona no ate drama do na ona be ro wodo. Uve ba wo na be ro wodo nia. Onana be ba wo na be ro wodo. Onana na ohona no ate drama na. Why vie pishi yare? Mona they give me their information. Mona they disgwagwan them. Mona they give me their information. They not fit do me anything. Mona they give me their information. For the sake of now when they come, here play the video again.
You will also explain your side. I don't know if you understand. To not damage your image.
When Mutia, Abi?
I'm
Monica is silent. Now me talk and come and no put time for video like that. No. Now when
if you don't go video, I know.
a video, why when you make a video, what no a video, why when you make a video for problem?
This is not for my now. We got bad. No, that I think. Give me a thing. I'm going to make it. I'm going to show you. Yeah, we're not alive.
Yeah, no, we're not my life.
Austin, look my eye. When you talking at me, now you dey do like this. Look my eye. Austin,
Austin, look my eye. Now that one that make me dey laugh for inside though. Austin, look my eye. May you tell me say na me dey do like this. Oh. Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. Wetin dey your eye? I walk back, they blend only one now, it's not good. Now the other one, the boy go blend again now. That means you not get high again. Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. Make you tell me say na me they do like this. So when I roll water, be a we very ya. It be a we be bo very ya. It be a messy we up very ya na. No, now you pass over that police station. Austin, look man. Austin, look man. When you tell me say na me you do like this, so it can't be judged. You are.
me will win your now. Me will win your now. Still me. Now you dey do like this.
When we see a problem video,
Oh, brother.
let me tell you one thing. I just want to talk to you. Imagine when I spoke to you in your WhatsApp several times.
The WhatsApp.
I spoke to you several times. So if you want to listen to me,
You when the right say the woman marry Oyibo now, the woman is married, the married to Oyibo now. Person when marry Oyibo now they talk. So now today video be this when they send call for me. So this will not be yesterday video. This one today video when they say my boyfriend. Una only hear. I mean they talk and so. Not be a mat, not be me picture on the see so. Not be face on the see so. Not be she they talk say Austin, you do me like this, They talk say married. I beg, I don't need all those kind of comments here. Because when they see person they for a mat, they use a mat they talk. You they say she marry Ibona, she marry Ibona, she they talk my boyfriend so. If you want to listen, you listen. If you don't want to listen, you leave my platform, I beg.
you listen to me. If you don't want to comment this man image, them know where who no affected man.
Oh, my face. Every new, the video where I do, Daniel. A video new, okay, boyfriend, okay, Austin. Is Imasho no queer, Imasho no hope.
Oh, you wait a
minute. I'm not a baby. Imasho no queer, Imasho no hope. A boyfriend, he won't buy a share. My friend, you won't buy show again. They life. I know they see and I know they lie. You yourself, you know. A boyfriend, you won't buy a show again. A boyfriend, you won't buy show again. You don't see any na show. Emi sunu on my yame. Egbe balo me na te show. Na me they talk. Come on, me born one of Germany. No shaking. All those 6 1 and they hear say. Talk. Now waiting go see pay my boyfriend. Now talk. Now waiting do wait pay me wait be say he make attempt to sleep with my own cousin. So now I take talk that thing.
Mommy Janet, that is peace man mother. I greet you.
So sleep with my own sister for his side room. And that my sister, she's like a daughter to me. Now mommy they call me. Now he make me tell and say now mommy. He wants to sleep with mother and son. You understand? So when I say Mona Sharon, I know if you call Monica. I'm on live video now. I not call Monica. I not call Lady Murphy. I not call Amelia. I not share for anybody. Then one thing where I say Mona help me so I put. Person where you share that video. Go ahead. Mona Sharon. Person where you share my boyfriend video. Go ahead. Make una cost food. Walk we are walk. A boyfriend you want buy share feature nigga keke or tion nigga.
Madam, Ohona metin all heavy guana or metin of iguana. Become my way, shut up. You don't be back balloon no we are madam. Shut up. Close your mouth. You dey hear me? This woman they will hear me so. They measure boyfriend. Shut up. I say shut up. Eki bieka egbe wagbon. Omo no saka. Eki bieka egbe wagbon ko na. Why eki bieka? Oyibo do so oyibo no get agwa. Oye ebo me kia na. Ebo ma agwa. Euro ma agwa. You marry oyibo, you the first small breast. Biki. Who they call me? Hello?
This man.
Pardon, me real live video.
You.
You real live video, sir?
Real video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They know the discussion.
Okwa no, the dog pa no ti egbo mo me bo one of Germany. Ekibieka ya wa okia ekibieka. Eya omi eki ovi oka na eriyo. Eya omi eki ovi oka na lawe. Enya wa rokia. Oh, the discussion, sir. Keka bi ku oni ni fi o me iya ma oni apa iwinu pore iya ye gbashawo iya mero dona ido na ya pishi ya agaro we ni ya vio me ya mo eladia ni anna ya ni amo ebo gbin ya popa ere do
In oro is that Iwawa Yaseone. Oh, yeah, na kurala rosia ya mi okupo. Hello.
Iye menuta baba mai menuta ore speaker.
Coronavirus ya mi okupo. That is the gospel. Coronavirus. We no kedo ni aga yupo asa oni ya gwali wina no me do we no wina ne be we no gwali na de ye la ye South America we where is me na ya we so ye na ihawe oriori ya wina ni corona virus nya mu go mata nika ota ni area ahun bi ni ya pole na nika ota o na lo si ya mi nika
Okay my me nota re baba
ama kuma later
okay where is Ubi is res abeg send me the picture and information. Send me the picture and information. Is rest. Send me the picture. Na central abi na okpo we never want come up for street. Mona send me the information. You understand? Mona not forget to support to our own brother. Mona go subscribe to a God Sent Family TV. God Sent Family TV. I beg. If una still get more information about this someone may born one of Germany, Mona want talk about. Mona call me on WhatsApp or call me on my direct number +39 35 11 20 42 09. Please. Very important because all these people need to enter house. Let's continue with the video.
Evo non share gaje mi gwa kume mo ebo gbe o pastor no ge ya talent ya be social media mutia no ge ya talent ya be social gwa kume gwa no ge ya talent ya be social media no ge ya talent ya no ge mo la dia la gwa kume mo ebo gbe won pe awon opo no ge mo eni ma be boyfriend me la dia e boyfriend won pastor de egi o no ge mo la dia gwa kume mo ebo gbe won pe awon opo oga ime no mo me bo e ire se yo so ma kera me gene wa be tie ni me no gi mo latia
e no na se
no mo latia because I see that me I see ya ime no gi mo latia wa gbo na gbon pege wa gumeti e vojo won pe awon ofu unwi vie kaya wa gumeti e vojo amaro pa ma jenere na life I dey amaro pa madam lawo wo we ga simo we amaro pa ma jame jige e boyfriend won pa or the pa send ge for otion ni ke e boyfriend won pa egi amaro pa ma jame jige ma send egi amaro pa even if yes amaro pa ma jame jige mo gwa na mo real life.
Okay, now this woman still be now she still be a res But her name for my Facebook na Eze Monday. Maybe her name for my Facebook.
Nogi ya ta me di mo fi. Nogi ta me man ke wa argument e boy. Wala wo. Argument e boy. Na mo eye he wa fi e bo. Ya sente.
Iya me le bogi me duty ya me ni awon
Ya do what me rock ba ge boyfriend me ezono. Ya do if I talk anything about my boyfriend I quarrel. Now I talk am but wetin me dey talk say ma no mu e la dia ye he la wagumeti e boyo awon ha e ma ya wagumero bi wa west.
Imagine ni kan ta egbe ya wa wo me. Egbe ya wo me. Why ye information of bugu me about o na wa information of bugu me. Ide ni me pe shoge la dia. Wa information of bugu me about o na ime igegbe oko egbe oko ran imene ya zedo ni vino na waje na eze mode na egbe oko we ese to si bie kanu wo ai abi bie kanu mu ni ese fu sin ai o ma sin ai egbe oko egbe ran emerie egbe ha oko we egbe ha oko abi bie kanu sin ai ni ya mare small girls ni ya mare age mate ogiya because rudave oko na rudave dede na nyongina o si na abi aboti mani ko ni mana mi ope ani mana mi oko odo no rin ayo wa na even if e mo do wo wa abi dede na nyongina iye ge wo kin ya enjoy yan rudinya me go kere Pa Monica will be so hungry now. Monica is doing her makeup for today live video while a part dey sleep. Abeg o Osamudi Amela wo ka sabe Monica ye kere edi mofia ene. Wage dede na nyongi. Wage dide na nyongi egbe na o le la bi be ka gbe na bi winu po o le la bi be ka gbe na bi winu po 20 years still on road work 20 years still on igbeaga 20 years still on ashawo bi pele ni go yi na amu ya take off a young boy amu ya take off odafun huowe amu ya gba odafun huowe ibie ka magi mi odo again ya boy edimofi here we hook me up not pa no chegbe jama lady no ro no be mo pe ni negbe be no na be mo pe ni negbe na wo mo me bo one of Germany oni ya bo ni yo hook me up ibie ka magi mi odo tu dave dede na tu dave hot cargo na wasi winu pa ai omago wasi ai wa when in winu po 10 years in winu po 20 years in winu po 30 years in winu po 40 years o wa you yes Osamudi Ame, this is the reason this is one of the reason why this local Benin actress does not respect women from Europe or from abroad. Yes, that is true. Una when they pack they go Africa, they pack they go Nigeria, say I want go marry. Agba wa ni bune. Why say Nigeria na we wa marry ne? I wanna not basha wo ne be webu. Ogize basha wo amayi mi wan ogiri e yo wa, omayi mi pe an ogiri wa be webo, onagi tule mo Africa. Otewe ma enwe. Otewe maniro wa enwe. Iya be yo wego. They no ga form when you love you when you love you when no make na mo ade webo. Uwa imwe la webo ne all left way. All let's say where I. That is just the truth. Uwa imwe la webo ne all let's say where I. Abe hot cargo na. Omo me bo of Germany. Omo me bo of Germany si be ka e. Si be ki pe aye ni be ki ko make na mi o pe arie. Egi amagbi be ki pe aria. Egi agbi be career the way bo me bo one of Germany. Egi amagbi be career. Egu we gbera ne. U ba ku ne be go hwie. Ego hwie u ba ku ne. So edo yo we do ya affect ibeka no dade na ibeka ni gwalo do vege na edo yo we affect ya. Because again na when wala wodo wa we wa ma ebe 8 flat. Wa ma ebe 4 flat. O be ameti control me o. What you no be na control me. Imeti aro toto bia. Imeti aro toto bia. Iya ga me go me ne imeti we small boys. Iya wa be o wa be ahon me. Iya wa be rinya wa be we. Iya be we ni ibe rigo ni yen pa. Eba mi wa na do we ota en hole. Eba wa na do we agbon we en wa na mi say na is trouble. Ibeka no de na ma si yo egbe won mebo. Edo yo we ari ahian wa. No come break their side mirror. Egbe yan mirror. No break their side mirror. Egbe yan mirror mo mebo. Egbe yan side mirror. Why go the side mirror yan aye? Egbe yan side mirror. I'm telling you, egbe yan side mirror because what be yan side mirror me amege ya na we. Imi ya na wa. Then I me ma for central. Area me ko we central. Then o me bo one of them now aye na o we central wa no. O we central e no. Wa pass a message na gie. Emi yoni ha me na he. 1 year we no po ade dede 30 years 40 years o wa ma wa kere wo omo mebo no so na mo mebo na ne kere no so no da wa o digba so na ni only come one ahin. So guys, please kindly go to my YouTube channel, God sent Family TV. You will see the video. This video when I play, so it dey my YouTube channel. As you dey watch the video, I beg make you subscribe. Then we have video niva la wo subscribe yo. La wo subscribe. Understand? And don't forget our ambition to become Edo State Governor 2020. Ambassador John Osage for governor. You understand? Your saga no. Boss lovely. I know they do saga. And I know what make saga sweet me. You understand? But I dey pass the message to her and to other women when they take small boys, when they sleep with small boys for abroad and for Africa. May they stop. Because our women, many small girls today, when they find man, they're not green see man because of these people. Because of these old cargoes. How could you imagine? This woman born would not reach that kind of 50 years. She's still talking about boyfriend. And you they talk about saga. Who they do saga? Am I doing saga? I'm not doing saga. I'm passing message. So I don't want it to be sweet. Okay? I'm passing message to them. So please, guys, support our ambition to become Edo State Governor 2020. Ambassador John Osage, the people's choice, the people's governor, the people Imiefa, the people Messiah. Please support Ambassador John Osage for governor. And as you do, may God Almighty bless you all in Jesus' name. Support the widow, support the God Sent Foundation, support the less privileged, support support the poor. If you can afford 3 times square meal, somebody cannot even afford one, support them. And don't forget, coronavirus is real. This, please, I need your number. Yeah, my number is there. Osamu Diame. My number is there. Wait, let me check. So somebody I may see my number. My number is pinned here. +39 35 11 20 42 09. That is my number. So who get here, make it here. I beg if you see all those women who no one leave road work, they see they 40, they 50, they 30. Mona bring their picture, come for me. And Mona tell me about them. I go come out. Even though say I dey sleep, call me on WhatsApp, call my number, I go get up, I go come out, here go. In Nanya. Because Ibieka kere go a lot door. Small girls they find husband, they not see. Ibieka kere ni that like we bo inya go aligo. Why we are letting yak bina winu po? Emania wa shower for 2 years, 3 years. Ni eko lawa. Wanika wene for 20 years. Why give ya make chance ya we na shower? Why are letting yak bina? Why are letting yak drag? Ya mege ya na wa. Ya wa mege ya na wa ya. Awu anasuna. So thanks guys. Thanks for sharing, for your comments, for viewing, for commenting, for everything. May the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Please go and subscribe to A God Send Family TV on YouTube. You'll see this video there and you'll see many other videos there. You understand? So thank you. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed and may God bless you. Don't forget, coronavirus is real. Okoromu virus is real. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. And any central boy, even though it's not a presenter, even though it's not be presenter, any central girl, bring the picture, come for me. Tell me about it. Ya go we na. Okwe no wa o se me. Okwe no wa o tell me. Ona gbe we central. The picture me. Ya go we na. Ya go wa na. Central more. Stop. Prostitution are from 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. More. Stop. Oh, do men when they sleep with small children. Must stop. That is it. I stand for that, and it must stop. Oh, what to agbe? Oh, what to agbe? Abi kona wasi ani beka. Inya wiya si ani beka. Ibeka egwa ku. Inya zekenyo. At the age of 40, at the age of 50, you see the go they wear shift the breast up, shift the breast up. Bang go dukun, bang when I go dukun, bang when I go dukun. You see, go they wear small things. Maybe say 15 years, 18 years, 20 years old girl they wear. You are a bastard as a woman. I beg, the good ones not gonna get this course, but the bad ones who are asking who are the newerowa. Ogyon bawa him. Then it be one in. Veno kona yogyon bano. Veno kona wa yogyon bano. Then it be one in. Only time ike head the live video now. Tell me atane. Tell me atane. It be only tani. Ke head the live video now. Hogyan ba toga sungu edenevoro wa. Hogyan ba toga sungu edenevoro wa. Hogyan ba toga sungu edenevoro wa.
Only time on the fade, not the fade. Only time on the fade, not the fade. On the weapon on the way to, they get a very good that we will. Rutona, it's serious, and I go back. And that day I got it, no one can be mine. Why are you know your jack way? It's a room. And that day I got it, no one can be mine. Why not if you know your jack way? It's a room. And that day I got it, oh, no one can go. Why if you know your jack way? Iya mo bane lege, iya mo bane woma, obane tu, otubi no, eto ya. Iya mo bane lege, iya mo bane woma, obane tu, otubi no, eto ya. Iwe ọba òsàlù kò gèvà, ọbẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ pé omi ò lè ta ẹ̀wẹ̀ tọ̀mọ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ tẹ̀lé ẹ̀jẹ̀ èdè o, ló wà lọ́yà gbé máa ẹ̀, ọ̀nà ìfìlú tó tẹ̀ wẹ̀. Ìdílé YouTube mi ayé ló wà.
50 years old woman when they sleep with small boys, you be Ogyon ba.
Ìdílé Facebook mi ayé ló wà.
Janet Oloye, you say 50 years old is still a young lady. Yes, 50 years old woman wey respect herself is a young lady. But 50 years old woman wey see the first small pikin is an old woman and e remain a fool. Janet Oloye, I know they owe any woman 50 cents to. I know they owe any woman 50 cents. Any woman come at night, if I owe you 50 cents, you know I with 50 cents, like I'm not tired. I know they owe any woman 50 cents. I'm not a central, so I use my money to buy drink. I use my money to buy food. It's my money. Even na yo go menu. So yes, central. On your see your back, I even run over like that. We come on now. We go and sit down there. If not be me, who you be? Error. I'm not stupid. I be single, but single when they respect himself. Single when he gets swag. If you need this Idian Yesige, you can contact our office in Edo State or contact me. You understand? Or contact any Gosen family member worldwide. Una go see am, they'll deliver am to una. You understand? Remain blessed and stay blessed, guys. One love. Till I come your way again, please kindly go and subscribe to a Gosen Family TV. You'll see more video, many video there. You understand? Okay, let me read some comments. Before I leave. Let me read some comments. May I start from here? May she enter house, old cargo. Okay. Good evening, sir. Yes. Fumilayo. Works up. I greet you. Imagine boyfriend at her age. You are very right, my brother. Yes, thank you. Okay, that woman is 50 years old. Mama mia, 50 years old. Money go kill them. Not be lie. They were good, not be lie. I get one. Oh, send me the information. Send me the information. Janet Samuel, you say 50 years old now, still young lady. As I said before, the one way they respect himself now young lady. The one way they fool herself, not be young lady, now fool. And I hold cargo. This lady is really okay. Thank you, favor, God's power. Thank you. Oh, again, okay, Janet, you say you still drink beer during this your fatness. Yes, it's my money, my dear, it's my money. You understand? God bless you. I enjoy myself. Janet Ola, you say enjoyment. Yes, thank you. Okay. Ngozi Omo Ragbon, you say happy weekend, bro. Thank you. Rosemary, you say thank you for being proud of yourself. Yes, I'm proud of myself. Come rain, come sun, my darling. I'm proud of myself. I know any woman. I never date woman wey be say I can't knock and central, you know they error and if they were if you are a friend, you are a friend. If you are not one friend, you are not a friend you. That is me for you. I'm proud of myself. Okay, Faith, you say I need it. Oh, you need what? I don't understand. You need what? Okay, this necklace. And you inbox me now. Call me or call my boss, Ambassador John Osage. You understand? So, we'll deliver to you.